If you think AI is coming to your factory to fire everyone, please relax. It's actually showing up because you can't hire enough people in the first place. I was reading a piece in Industrial Equipment News about how AI is not replacing the factory workers, it is elevating them. Manufacturers are using AI to capture expert tribal knowledge, cut downtime, and help new workers make veteran level decisions on day one. In other words, the robot isn't the boss. It's world's most patient co-pilot. For owners and executives of small and medium-sized business, this matters. You are already fighting talent shortages, razor-thin margins, and aging equipment. If your competitor uses AI to keep their line running while yours is stuck troubleshooting the same failures over and over again, you are not just behind in tech, you are behind in profit. So here is the catch. The more AI you plug into your operations, the bigger your cyber attack surface gets. Every connected sensor, every predictive maintenance tool, and AI assistant is another front door the attackers can get in. So here is my one recommendation. Before you greenlight next AI project, have your OT, operations technology, and cybersecurity teams do a joint risk review. Same table, same data, same decisions. Hi, my name is Dilip Pillai. I'm from Welltech Networks, and we are hosting a webinar on February 26th to go deeper in how to adopt AI in a factory floor without opening the floodgates of cyber risk. Attend our webinar on February 26th to learn more on the subject and follow for more.